So when the ceiling's at a level like this is how I make a mark right here. So I take the tile, if I want it to go up like this, I turn it around, move it this way, and I take my pencil here, which is about 1/8 of an inch when you hold it that way. So I take the tile, put it up here, put my pencil right on this row right here, and I just put a mark right there. So that's the side for there right there. Then for this side, I take it, same thing, switch things around, put the tile up there, run the pencil right there, 1/8 inch mark, and there is our cut. So the pencil is about a grout joint width. So I usually cut just a hair more than the mark, and that gives me the piece. And got my piece ready. Spacer it. Look at that. Perfect little garage knife. And I give myself a thumbs up. Congratulate myself.